Oh, tits, there's a bear as well. No, 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 I'm skidding! Oh. Come on, come all and howdy. Let's do some hunting to start with.
What you preparing for?
Mount up then, let's go.
Hunting bison with Charles. We're a big, humongous fan of Charles.
Come on.
Ooh.
We should only kill one of them. I'll keep them ringed in and you see if you can bring one down. Okay? Clean as you can.
Okay.
Can I use poison arrows? We're about to find out. Come on, big fella. Oh, I lost honor there. I assume it was because I used the poison arrow?
Good job. Stow that on your horse and mount up. I wanna go check something out.
Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
I thought I saw some scavenger birds over here. Just wanted to see what attracted them.
I was about to say you have the humblest of times with Charles, but actually, there's a lot of turmoil. He's a hench dude, but a loyal friend.
No. Look. Bison. Shot and left for dead, it looks like.
Lead the way, Charles.
You see anything?
Smoke over there.
I see some smoke to the east.
Come on, get a move on. I like the markings of Charles's horse. Very nice.
Bastards. Just killing for fun.
Think we can talk?
I don't kill for fun. I kill when I need to. Did you fools shoot those bison?
What's your problem?
I said, did you fools shoot those bison?
Calm down, you black or red bastard, whatever the fuck you are.
Did you shoot them?
Yes, we did. We shot them bison, we'll shoot you too if you don't get.
What business is it of yours? What? We...
It's not business of mine!
Good God, you're crazy! Stand back, Charles. I'll get you some answers.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Are you
Damn it,
sure?
Charles, you're dead.
Oh, okay. We were paid to kill as many as we could and make it look like it was Indians.
Just kill him, Arthur.
No, please, don't kill me. I'm begging you.
All right, get out of here.
Poison throwing knife pamphlet. I must already have it, I guess. I should probably check that. Well, I have poison throwing knives, so all is well. Before we head and do a master mission, we are going to head up to Strawberry for a cougar check. We're currently on Master Hunter 6, where you have to shoot or kill and skin 5 cougars with a bow. So I'm hoping that enough time has passed since we were last up here, which, whilst this might be a separate video, was only about an hour ago. But I'm hoping enough in-game days have passed that the previous one that was skinned has disappeared and a new one will have spawned. I should also donate all of these things to camp. There's a man who needs some assistance. Hello, sir.
Quick, you gotta get this off me.
Oh,
I'm going numb.
I'm sure I can help with this.
Keep at it.
Yes, good. Wait.
You did it. Praise Jesus. Oh, God.
Pray for cougars, people. People. This is democracy manifest. Now, I don't wonder, because of this dude galloping around, whether it might skew our chances of seeing a cougar.
Hi there, mister.
Howdy.
Just gonna squeeze past you there. Bow at the ready. And I'm probably just gonna jump off my horse as soon as I see one, because this horse is so skittish, it throws me off anyway. There's the usual snake, listening out for the cougar, checking the map, checking it twice. I'd say that's a negative. We can head in. I think at most we might see a bear.
There we go.
I mean, there's a trapper up here. We should probably go and purchase some things that help us do better. Ah, look, the token Canadian. Hi there. Can I purchase something from you?
All made to measure. Wish I never had to take my stall into the sea. Just like I wish country folk had any damn money. Sold.
So nothing in the reinforced
Some of the things
equipment.
folk bring me to work with. Dead squirrels, cats full of buckshot. City folk, eh? Done. Another? Okay.
That wasn't very fruitful.
Thank you. Really.
Got a nice ammo belt thingamajig.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, we are riding through Cougar territory. Let's hope one appears. Oh, something over that way. Probably a bear. Oh, no. Oh, Cougar Town. 3-star again. Oh, tits, there's a bear as well. No, 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 I'm skidding. Oh. Dead. So, did I lose that pelt? The animal's gone.
Whoa, man.
Let's just check the progress of Master Hunter 6. 2 of 5 cougars killed with a bow. 3 of 5 cougars skinned. How on earth does that work? That's some prize bullshit right there. For sake. Fucking bear. This game sometimes. It just needs patience, right? Patience. Let's tell John we got his oil wagon.
John, let's get on. Good. And you? Got everything we need. Good.
Oh, I think I have to do the Abigail mission before I can do the John mission. Javier, why can I not do the
You
old
ever think about going back to Mexico?
house robbery?
Can't. At least not for now. It's a long story.
I'd like to go there one day.
Some coffee. Sorry, Javier, for the awkward positioning of my anus. Right, well, that was a quick chat with John. Shall we go fishing and progress this story
Hi, Arthur.
in a
Come here,
proper way?
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do something with Jack?
John is his
Okay.
father, if you
Thank you.
didn't know. I'm not sure whether I've admitted this before, but I've never played past the first few chapters. Red Dead Redemption 1.
What you up to?
Perhaps I should do that as the next
Anything
game.
fun?
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
Fishing?
Sure.
Come on then, boy.
Well, I'm sure someone can get you another storybook.
Really? When?
Well,
I need to get
We'll
Jack a
see.
storybook.
got fish to catch first.
No, I've already fished. I stole a rod from an unsuspecting fisherman. But this is typically where you get a rod and learn the mechanics of fishing.
Get some bait. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
It's now teaching us the mechanics of
Well, if
fishing.
You feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet.
which
That just
actually
means one's nibbling.
I have read because I am not
Feel a
well
hard
gamed.
tug. That's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard. to
Is
hook it.
one of the more pleasant mechanics of the game. Apparently Rockstar did very well.
Great fishing spot.
Don't jinx it, kid. Let's try again.
And it's gonna open out very soon because one of the challenges,
There, got him.
or one of the items that you need for 100% completion, is to catch legendary fish, like we've been catching legendary animals. There are, I don't know, maybe 10.
Look, it's a rock bass. Yeah, it's almost as small as you. We should
10 or so legendary fish that you have to go around catching
grow up a bit.
for some
Can I take a
dude.
break from fishing? I want to make something.
Okay.
And that is a laborious thing to do.
Whoop, think I got one.
But
See him fighting there, Jack? That's
quite
when you gotta
pleasant
be
at the
careful
same
where you break the
time.
line.
A lot of people
Wear 'em out
love
first before you
the
try
immersion of the
reeling
fishing and that kind of thing. I've always quite enjoyed
This is clearly
the
spot
fishing.
for rock-
We're gonna catch one more fish.
Fishing sure is boring, Uncle Arthur.
I know,
Jack thinks
Boring as
fishing
hell.
is boring and
but then
valid.
there we go.
Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan? You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. There's $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000 for me? Can I turn myself in?
We want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, do you?
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die.
This dude is a
Savagely.
great
All of you.
villain.
We're all gonna die.
And actually on the
Some
right side of the
sooner than
law,
others.
you do not
Good day, Mr. Morgan.
vouch for him. You do not.
Enjoy your fishing, kid, while you still can.
You're not interested in him succeeding.
No one to worry about, no one at all. Come on, let's pick up your things and get home.
Right, Jack, you tiny. His proportions are very weird. We need to get a move on.
Why did you lie about where Uncle Dutch is?
Because those are disagreeable men, and I don't want them to hurt him. Did you like fishing?
It was okay, I think.
I went off track there because I was banning someone. Apologies. Someone trying to sell me logos and stuff.
There you are. How you boys getting on?
Great. We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest?
They are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency, and they know about the train, and they know we're here. Well, you followed back here? No, they know we're near, and they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner.
I think that's a bad decision.
Them mountains. We just need to stay
Right?
calm.
Let's go see John. So calling back to my earlier unfinished conversation, I've only played a few chapters of Red Dead Redemption 1, of which John Marston is the protagonist. And spoiler alert, I believe Jack is also protagonist. Jack, who we just took fishing for Abigail.
Help me! Someone help me!
Oh man, all these people. I'm gonna have to suck out some snake venom. Hello. Oh, it's dramatic.
You won't believe it. I got bitten again.
Yeah, I do recognise you.
Suck it out of me.
You're
please.
damn lucky I have this.
I'm not sucking it out. You can have this. So anyway, as I was saying, Jesus H. Christ. Distractions in this game. Having many thoughts over the last few streams of what games to stream. Perhaps Red Dead Redemption 1. As someone who has 100%ed Red Dead Redemption 2 and is currently streaming the second time 100%ing, which will be the 7th full playthrough of the campaign, perhaps it will be nice for me to experience Red Dead Redemption 1 on a stream. Although, do I 100% it the first time? Probably not. Although it's probably worth me doing some exploring.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please.
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with you.
If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
What are you doing here, kid? I'm coming, John. On the job. I said you weren't coming. Yeah, well, Arthur says I am. And it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go.
All right, then. It's on. Charles,
Choo choo.
gentlemen, let's go earn some money. Yeah.
Let's hope we also get a nice big bounty so that Bandit whatever
Good. They should follow
plates. Here we are.
folks.
Here she comes.
This has to be one of the most screenshotted clips of Red Dead Redemption 2. Oh, it's cinematic. It's gorgeous. Look at it. Look at that. Yes. Arthur Morgan.
What's going on here? What's going on?
Nothing good.
Let's do this.
I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
Hey, all right, get on that train.
Faster. Everybody stay calm and you get shot. Go. Everything you got. Money's valuable. Don't have any. I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Let's go check on Sean.
What is it? You all right?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
Ooh. Let's search some chests, shall we? Take some jewelry. I'm very involved in this. No, we can get more. It's fine. Rob as much as we can. Yes, we will. One last one. Just about here. Cigar, jewelry, money clip. Exquisite stuff, I'd say.
Arthur, we got a problem.
Uh-oh.
Assholes on horses.
Ooh, it's smooth with the manual painting.
Look out behind us. Coming in on horses.
Holy moly, there's a lot of them. We will persevere. This would have been a good mission to do one of the next weapons or one of the next challenges. You have to get loads of headshots in a row. Like 9 headshots in a row. I'm not entirely sure how I've ever done that before, but I've done it several times, so I probably need a weapon. Wanted dead or alive, we should have a decent bounty after this, surely. I just don't think it's worth doing Bandit whatever 5 when there are missions from this point that will give you a sizable bounty. If not this one, then I'll just wait for another one. Well, this has been fun. I think they've all stopped searching for us now.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe.
Well, Owen Roads. Bounty $50. It's not what we needed. To finish off this stream, I'm gonna try and get Jack's book that he requested. So when we were on our fishing trip, Jack asked for a book, or said he left a book back at the old camp at Blackwater. So we are going to try and get something to replace it. Whether that will work, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, for God's sake. Lemoyne Raiders. We're back. We're all fine. So we've arrived where I should be finding Jack's book. Old dilapidated church. A few things to search. Nothing in the nightstand. Nothing in this one. Come on. Nothing in... Oh, no. There's another drawer to search. Oh, something on the table here. Oh, Otis Miller and the boy from New York. I'm taking that. Oh, item request log updated. Let's go see Jack. I think that will be a lovely way to round off this session. Oh, there's a little blip on the radar. This might be a really delicious way to finish this session. I typically finish these videos planning to do something and then it just not coming off.
Mrs. A.
Good morning.
But look at this, I can deliver something, of which there's usually very little dialogue.
Hello.
Morning.
Let me give you the request.
Kid back to us.
I'm sorry. I wanted them to hang him.
Boy, he amuses me. You done good, Arthur. Loyalty.
Can I give the request?
You're a good kid.
Thanks, Uncle Arthur.
Let me give the request, please. Yes. There we go. Yep, absolutely no dialogue whatsoever. Astonishing. Well done, Rockstar. That was shoehorned in at the last minute, right? Well, thank you for joining me on this session. I will see you next time.